Hi friends, good morning. Today let us see about the significance of number 108. In many places we have heard about this number 108 like in temples as an emergency contact number. What is this number 108? Let us see about that. An average person breathes around 21,600 times in 24-hour period. Half of that is 10,800, which is called as solar energy, that is the breath taken during daytime, and other half is lunar energy, that is the breath taken during night time. That is exactly the value of 100 multiplied by 108, which is a ratio of 108. According to Marmadi and Ayurveda, there are 108 pressure points in the body where consciousness and flesh intersect to give life. Let me tell you about what is Marmadi and Ayurveda. Marmadi is also called as Varmakalai, origin in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. It is an art of self-defense, same like martial arts. And Ayurveda, it is a tradition in Hindu system of medicines, incorporated in Atharva Veda, which is last of all the four Vedas. And what are these pressure points? The pressure points are area of a human body that produce significant pain or will relieve you from a pain. In Hindus, it is believed that body contains seven chakras starting at top of head and ending at the base of spine. Each chakra is said to be energy center within our body. The heart chakra, which is located at the exact center of the chest, is associated with transformation and love energy. The heart chakra is said to have 108 energy lines. The energy lines are nothing but the nadi that converge to form this energy center. In Hindus, the Mukhya Sivaganas, the Sivaganas are nothing but the attendants of Shiva. There are 108 in number. The Mukhya Sivaganas are 108 in number. The use of malas of 108 beads for prayers. The beads are nothing but a small piece of glass or stone threaded to make a necklace or rosary. So that's why we are wearing malas of 108 beads for prayers. In Vaishnavism, Lord Vishnu in Vrindavan also had got 108 followers known as gopis. In Buddhism, this number 108 is reached by multiplying the senses like smell, touch, taste, sight, hearing, etc. So there are total 108 different types of feelings as per Buddhism. In Japan, at the end of year, a bell is rung 108 times in Buddhist temples to finish the old year and welcome the new year. In science also, this number 108 has significant presence. 108 degree Fahrenheit is the internal temperature at which human body vital organs begin to fail due to overheating. This number 108 also connects the sun, moon and earth. We used to call as cosmic ratio. The distance from earth to sun is about 108 times the diameter of sun. The distance between earth and moon is also 108 times the diameter of moon. There are 12 astrological houses and 9 planets. 12 multiplied by 9 will also give 108. What are these astrological houses? The astrological houses are nothing but it is a chart which represents different facets of life based on time and location of birth. and it will show the gifts or obstacles that you face in future life as per astrology. In psychology also, this number has a significant presence. In psychology, your eyes will normally first go to the left, that is number 1, and then down to 0. That's why you will find most of the emergency contact number will be starting with 1 0. According to Vedic cosmology, 108 is the basis of creation, which represents the universe and all our existence. It is said that the number 108 represents the distance between our body and the God. That's why mantras are chanted 108 times, which represents a journey from human to God. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will meet you soon with my next video. Thank you. Bye.